Hello and welcome to a video where I will be showing you how to make your own Minecraft server using a GoDaddy VPS virtual private server. Now, why do I need to specify the title if you already know the title? Well, I want to make sure that you're in the right place. Of course, like I said, GoDaddy virtual private server is what we're going to be using. But not only that, we're also going to need a few other things. So I'm going to go ahead and list those for you. We're going to need Git Bash, which is a terminal basically. You get to type in commands, instructions, if you will, for the server through there. You'll see what I mean once we actually get to that part. We will also need, of course, like I said, the GoDaddy virtual private server. And we also need, of course, a Minecraft account and a Minecraft, downloaded, ready to go. You do not need to download any server files, directly to your computer, because that will all be done through the terminal. Now, I don't think I'm forgetting anything. I'll be sure to leave all the commands that are necessary down below. And that is pretty much all I remember at this moment that you will need. If there is something that I did not remember that, haven't stated, I'll be sure to do that later. So, how do you get into your virtual private server? Well, let's go ahead and do that right now. So here we have Git Bash, and it will look like this once you open it up, and it should be able to get you straight into the server. So how do you get in? So what you'll need is your account information, which includes your username. In my case, it's that, and your IP. And once you have that typed in, next thing you need to do is put in your password. So what we need to do now is create a folder, make directory games, and so we're going to go cd games, right? And now we need to make a directory called Minecraft. You type make directory like that, and then wget command, which I will also provide in the description. It looks like this. In order to get the download file, which you want to go, or where you want to go actually, is to the Minecraft website. Right click and copy link. I'll provide a link to the server download, so that way you can do that. And here we go. We have the sudo wget mcserver.jar. This just creates this just gets the server jar from the URL, and it titles it mcserver.jar. Honestly, you can name it whatever you want. You could just title it server jar if you wanted to, like so, like that. So now that you have that, you can run the command sudo java blah blah blah, this right here. I'll be in the description. Once you do that, you will get an error that will tell you, hey, you need to accept the EULA, in which then you go ahead and change the permissions on that. The default user for Ubuntu is Ubuntu, but in your case, you would have set up your own username through GoDaddy, whatever it is. Go ahead and type it there and execute it. Once you change the permissions on that, do this echo eula equals true. Now that that's over with, you can run the sudo java command with your the name of your server here. You won't be able to connect to your server unless you run this next command, and that is sudo ufw allow 25565. And that's pretty much it. Now all you need to do is make sure you type screen if you are planning to close this right here, like so. As you can see, if you close it after typing that screen command, you should still be able to interact with your server because it is running in the background. If you want your server to, stop after having typed in that screen command, what you need to do is type screen-ls. I typed it in first, and you'll probably get a message that says screen is terminated. It doesn't really matter. Just run the command again. You will get a list of your running screens or whatever that says one socket in whatever, right? Copy this, which will be your Minecraft one, and then type screen-xs, and then put in or paste in your the name, which is this, and then after that space quit, and you should not see any sockets there. And when you try to go over to Minecraft, you won't see the server is on or anything like that. So yeah, that's how you stop the screen, aka stop the server from running. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So detailing the steps again: start the server, type screen, close your window. You should be able to have it running 24/7. If there is ever any issue, you can stop the screen, start the server again, and then stop the screen, start the server, and start the screen again. There you go. Hopefully that will alleviate any issues that you may have with stopping and starting the screen, keeping the server live and whatnot. But yeah, this is how you create a Minecraft server using GoDaddy VPS, virtual private server, of course. If you did like, go ahead, leave a like. If you didn't really like it, if you have some suggestions of what I could have done better, and so on, please go ahead and do so. All the links of information will be provided down below. I didn't specify the 1.17 thing needing OpenJDK in much detail, but I'll list that below as well. There's a bug report on it. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Comment down below if there's anything you need help with. I'm sure someone might be knowledgeable enough, like myself, and I'll be sure to reply. And that's pretty much it. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.